sought the Lord and He answered me. From all my terrors He set me free.
From all my terrors, He set me free.
Look toward Him and be radiant. Let your faces not be abashed. This lowly one called the Lord heard and rescued him from all his distress.
From all my terrors, He set me free.
The angel of the Lord is encamped around those who fear Him to rescue them. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed the man who seeks refuge in Him.